Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16.
I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Sorry I'm whispering, it is very early here, 6 a.m. on the dot actually, and we are getting ready to head out to New Jersey to visit my family for the holidays. But first, I need to upload Vlogmas. Like, how am I working at 6 a.m.? Crazy. Molly, you want to cuddle? So I've just sort of been up for like 15 minutes collecting the last minute things. I'm actually sort of not ready with Connor just coming back yesterday and like to leave Molly Cat, but I am so excited to get home and see my family for the holidays. I mean, we'll talk about it more, but I don't have to like whisper or talk to you guys. But I am pumped, really pumped. Yeah, that's my girl. That's my girl. Let's go finish getting ready and get out the door. We have to leave in about 20 minutes. Is it just me, or do we need one last montage to honor the Christmas tree? I think we do.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Alrighty, we are through security and made it to our gate. We boarded in about 20 minutes, so the worst is over, I guess. Now we just have to sit on a plane for a couple of hours and then we will be home. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this part to be over. Just not for me. But I do have to say, you guys, getting clear has been like life-changing for me. I am obsessed with it. I signed up for it back in October, and traveling with it is so easy. You get to just skip the entire security line. It's so ideal. So highly recommend if you're considering getting it, get it. It takes, you know, like 5 minutes to sign up, and I just did it at the airport before my flight because you're saving so much time going through Clear that like you don't need to give yourself extra time or anything before your flight to sign up for it. So definitely sign up the next time that you see a kiosk. Just picked up a water for myself. The line at Starbucks was 10 million years long, so we were not doing that. I was like debating whether I should get a coffee or not, but I think I'm just gonna wait until I get on the plane and have one of their coffees or teas or something. Oh boy, here we go, you guys. Trey, I made it.
I just sort of sat here.
Waiting for someone to tell you to move?
Yeah,
well, we made it. We are officially in New Jersey. It feels so good to finally be done with the travel day. And yeah, we are actually almost home now. There was a bit of traffic getting out of the airport, but other than that, it was pretty...
yeah, it wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad like on the parkway or anything, so that's great. And I think we're just popping in to sort of drop my stuff off, and then we are going to go out to dinner and grab a little bite, but it's going to be a very chill rest of the evening here. I'm really, really tired, so looking forward to just relaxing. Made it home, and Mom and Dad redid my room since we've been here. Look at this. Nice little bed here. It looks great. You guys did a great job.
Yeah, I like it.
It looks really nice. It's gonna be great. And I have a little gift waiting for me. So I had to open it on the vlog, of course. Oh, it's so comfy. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh my gosh, this looks so comfy. Oh, sorry, it's so dark. You guys can't even see anything, but little pink Pullover, thanks, Mom. Oh, it's so soft.
Isn't it?
Is that all the way inside?
I said, Jill needs this for the
That's
winter
good
here.
stuff. Yeah, seriously. Oh, definitely will be living in this while I'm home.
Although it's 60 degrees out tonight.
Well, it was a little chilly when we were walking into the building, so.
You put her coat on.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Got my little slippers at the end of the bed here. Holiday and normal, of course. We need options. It's all about the options. I love it. Alrighty, we're about to head out to dinner, but before we do, my parents have a wine advent calendar again this year. It's from In Good Taste, and I gotta get one next year. It's really cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Have this like big box here, Drink and Be Merry. I love the way that you guys have this on display on the bar cart. So yeah, it's day 16. We already pulled the bottle out, obviously, but you get to pick a new bottle every day and try it. So we're gonna try one right now.
Look at this. My students brought it.
So cute.
Isn't that
For
cute?
you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just to, they're graduating. They're like,
Oh,
thank
cute.
you for helping us through. And
Love it. So
like,
cute.
that's so nice.
All right, what's the wine today?
This is a Stealing Thunder Rosé
Oh, a rosé. Nice.
from Lodi.
Hello. Let's have some wine. Sounds lovely.
These little tasting glasses from
So you're
Fox
pouring up there.
Hollow,
Just
so-
trying to get a
Oh,
shot
I'm
at
sorry.
that.
I'm trying to see the line so that we can
Oh, yes, that.
all have, but we're gonna have a lot more than that, so.
Okay, yeah. Just get a little more in there then. Cheers, fam.
Cheers.
Let's try this one.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Angie, you run around like crazy? There she goes. Oh, it's pretty yummy. It's really light, just the way that I like my rosés. Thank you, Faja. Hiccups. Alrighty, as a little appy, we got this octopus salad, which looks so good. Dad got another little salad here. It has like strawberries and nuts and stuff in it, which is also really yummy. And this like little cracker thing is so good. I love it. So here's first up, and then we have a couple pizzas on the way. Okay, so we got a cacio e pepe pizza, which smells so good. Where's the smell-o-vision? Where's the smell-o-vision? I still wish every time. And then we got this Sicilian pizza, which is on focaccia bread. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks amazing. Way to ruin the aesthetic, Dad. Looks terrible. Yeah, there you go. Okay, grand finale of the night. The best canolos. They're so good. Oh, I'm so excited for these. They're so good. I look forward to them every time. Oh my God. It's so good. The filling is so good here.
Fresh.
Gotta get a Christmas movie in for the first night home. Santa Claus. It's a classic. Look at how good their decorations look. I'll show you more tomorrow. So pretty though. Well, friends, it is 11 p.m. here and I am seriously exhausted from this travel day. I have no idea how long this vlog was. Sorry if it's a shorter one. I really don't know, because obviously mostly all I did was sit on a plane today. But before I head to bed, I did want to chat with you guys about something. Just to come out and say it, I am not planning on finishing Vlogmas. And by that I don't mean that I'm going to stop uploading vlogs. I just mean there's not going to be vlogs every day until Christmas anymore. Honestly, just to get really like down to the nitty-gritty, this year Vlogmas has made me realize that it's not worth it anymore. It's really stressful. It's hard coming up with content every day. It's hard editing every day. It's hard uploading every day. It's just sort of, I mean, it's a shit ton of work and you guys know that. And I want to say thank you guys so much, because I am not even nervous telling you guys about this, because you have been so lovely and understanding and been like, girl, do not upload every day, it's fine. And I appreciate that so much, because I do know that there are other people who maybe would be nervous to talk to their audience about that, and I know that you guys have my back and understand and want me to take care of myself, and I appreciate that so much. I can't even tell you. I just really felt like, you know what, I'm gonna finish out being in LA and doing the daily vlogs, even though I missed one in LA too. And then when I'm home with my family, I just value this time so much. I get to come home twice a year. And so I just want to be able to relax and unwind and not have to worry about coming up with content every day, editing every day that I'm home, uploading every day that I'm home. I just don't honestly want to do it, and so I'm just not going to. I feel like I've reached a place where I'm not gonna force myself to do something that I don't want to do. I'm just not. So with that being said, I haven't really decided on a specific upload schedule while I'm home or anything like that. I'm sort of going to take it day by day. We do have a lot of really fun things planned, so I definitely want to vlog all the fun stuff. There'll probably be some combo vlogs of like a day or two. I don't think that there's going to be a vlog up tomorrow, so just a heads up about that. But I believe that there will be one up the next day, so definitely keep an eye out. And I am definitely wanting to take you guys along on all of the fun stuff that I do while I'm home. I just also want to be able to spend some time at home not thinking about work. You know, this year I'm leaving Jersey sort of early. I leave on the 27th, so that would basically mean that I have 2 days at home where I wouldn't be vlogging if I kept up with the daily vlogs. I just don't want that. I want to be able to enjoy my time with my family, and I know that you guys will understand that, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Vlogmas has been a real challenge this year. It's been harder than anticipated, and you know, it's just been tough. So thank you guys for understanding. I really hope that you do. I know that you will. You guys are always the best and so understanding with stuff like this and wanting me to take care of myself. And yeah, I know I already said that, but just thank you, because I'm so comfortable talking to you guys, and it makes my life so much easier. So it's actually Friday for you guys, so a happy Friday. I hope that you have an amazing weekend. Let me know what your weekend plans are down below, because I definitely want to know what you're going to be up to. I will not see you tomorrow more than likely, but I will probably see you on Sunday, so keep an eye out for that. And I will try to keep updated schedules of when I'm uploading and when I'm not on my Instagram. So if you do want to just stay on top of it, go and follow me over there. Otherwise, you know, just keep an eye out in your sub box and you'll see when I upload. Thank you guys for watching today though. So excited to be home. So excited to be with my family. It's just the best feeling. And we have a lot more fun ahead. So very excited to share my time here with you guys. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you next time.
So I'm